My name is Joe Probst. I'm the Director of Engineering at RubberForm Recycled Products. I've known the Robbins family for many, many years. One day, Bill and I were talking about his needs for engineering talent, and here I am. What I really like about RubberForm is all of our products are manufactured from 100% recycled rubber and plastic. It's part of the green economy and the circular economy, so we're repurposing old tires, old plastic products that are ground up and turned into new products. Behind me is the control panels and one of our profile extrusion lines. We have two of them here, and the one behind me is actually one of the largest in the world. Everyone has novel products they want to use or have requirements for products that don't exist. That's where RubberForm comes in. We can customize what a customer actually needs. If you cannot find your rubber or plastic part or product that doesn't exist, we can make it for you.